Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still moving inside this descending triangle, and we will also discuss about this very big falling wedge pattern and the strongest support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me show you this falling wedge pattern. And you can see previously we had this falling wedge pattern, and at the end of this wedge, when we touched this support of $28,600, we had a very big rally from there. And again, same situation has happened. Bitcoin has formed this bigger falling wedge pattern this time, and it has reached the same support. We had a long spike even up to this support, but the price line is recovered back. And on the smaller time frame, you can see that the price line is moving sideways above the support of $28,600 and the support of this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And at the same time, we can see that the RSI is very close to oversold zone. Right now, the RSI's value is 34.33, and it will enter the oversold zone on the weekly time frame when it will cross 30 value. And by the way, on the daily time frame chart, RSI was already oversold and now it is turning bullish. And if we watch the stochastic on the weekly time frame, then the stochastic was here in the oversold zone in the month of Feb. It turned bullish and we were rejected by this resistance of the wedge. Therefore, the stochastic has again entered the oversold zone, and the price line has again tested the support of the wedge as well. Now, if we switch to the 4-hour time frame chart, then this was the triangle I was showing you in my previous videos as well. And I was telling you that once Bitcoin will be able to break it out, then there will be some developments we can see. And even after that, it will be possible that Bitcoin may reach the resistance here of this wedge to make another attempt to break it out. But so far, you can see that the price line on the 4-hourly time frame chart is not able to break it out. Even for almost 2 days, it is moving sideways here at the resistance of this descending triangle. The support of the descending triangle is exactly at this support where we have this support of $28,600. And now let me just show you the targets for this triangle in case of breakdown. Our target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately $25,200 or $25,000, and we have already a spike up to $25,400. And it means that if Bitcoin breaks down the support of the triangle, it can again move down to test the support of this bigger wedge pattern. And for example, if we will have a breakout from this triangle, then our next imminent target after the breakout can be here. That will be approximately at $34,250. Now, if I copy this trend line from here and paste it here, then you can see it is showing us the projection beyond this resistance that I was telling you is very strong resistance we have at $33,000. And in that situation, the price line will break out this resistance and it can reach the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Now we can see that the price line is not able to touch the support. We have several rejections, and the candlesticks are not able to break out the resistance for the last 2 days. And if we switch to the more small time frame chart, like from here, let me just show you on the hourly time frame chart. Then here we have a cup and handle formation pattern has been formed. This is the round shape cup we have here. Here we have the handle, and this is the resistance of this cup. Let me place the trend line here, then it will be more clear for you to watch where we have the resistance. We have the resistance of the cup here at $30,600, and this handle of the cup cannot be retraced or dropped more than 50% of the body of the cup. So if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to the resistance of the cup, then we can expect that, for example, if the price line will be dropped more from here, then it cannot drop more than $29,600. And we can see that at $29,600, we have quite nice support on the short term, on this hourly time frame. And you can see this level almost worked as a support here, as a resistance here, as a support here, as a support here, and as a support here, and as a support here as well. And for example, if the price line moves more down, then once again it can work as a nice support on the short term. And also the handle of the cup cannot be extended more than this 50%. And now we have a valid cup and handle formation. And for example, if we take a look at the target for this cup and handle, then after the breakout, if I place this trend line here, so it will show us the target. The target can be here at $32,800. That will be very close to this next resistance of $33,000. So after breaking out this cup and handle, it is possible that definitely it will break out the resistance of the triangle as well that we were watching on the 4-hour time frame chart. And in that situation, we can have a nice push at least up to the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.